fresh ground beef, sour cream, tomato.
The all-new fiery Doritos Locos Taco. A lot of fire and a hint of lime.
Mountain Dew Baja Blast.
Welcome to Booze Bender. Today we're talking Taco Bell, a menu filled with a blend of cheese, meat, and cheese.
When I say meat, you say cheese, meat, cheese, meat, cheese.
Where they magic the same 6 ingredients into 50 different menu items. With the greatest of all, the fiery Doritos Locos Tacos, which must be washed down with Taco Bell's signature Mountain Dew Baja Blast Freeze. Today we're going to take these to create what we call the Fiery Baja Twist Margarita Freeze. Okay, let's do this. First, we get the goods. And now we're set. Here's all the ingredients you'll need for your La Fiery Baja Twist Margarita Freeze. Tequila, cinnamon, limes, chartreuse, Doritos Spicy Nachos. The Fiery Doritos is a custom flavor only available at Taco Bell, so what we're going to do is get the closest thing, Doritos Spicy Nacho. Mountain Dew Baja Blast Freeze. Fiery Doritos Taco Shell, an empty shell. We'll be crushing these later. Cinnamon Twists. Fiery Doritos Locos Taco. Let's have a quick taste. Thanks. First, the tequila. Pour 1.5 ounces. Add 3/4 of Yellow Chartreuse. Roll the lime to get the juices flowing. Squeeze 1/2 ounce of fresh lime juice. Another 1/2 ounce all over the table. Now for the Mountain Dew Baja Blast Freeze. Scoop out a precise 2 ounces. That's about right. If you're a big Mountain Dew fan, skip the measuring and pour all you want straight from the cup. Now let's bring out the heavy machinery. We're going to make this a frozen margarita. Pour your mixture into the blending cup. And blend. Before pouring this, let's salt the rim of our glass. Grab a plate and those empty Fiery Doritos shells. Place a paper towel on top and start punching. And we'll add a handful of Doritos Spicy Nachos. Crush those too. That's looking good. The more finely you crush, the better. Add some salt. Now grab a glass with the rim dampened. Flip it over and press. Perfect. Now we have a Fiery Spicy Nachos Doritos rim. Serve our drink into a glass. We've clearly fucked up the measurements. Way too much. For garnish, grab a cinnamon twist. This is the toughest step of all. Cut a slit in the twist, like this. Like this. Nope. Nope. Like this. This attaches to the glass rim and looks, redo. Grab a metal pick, pierce it through the cinnamon twist, and there, our garnish. Lastly, a sprinkle of cinnamon on top. This ties everything together and accentuates that Doritos flavor. And now, we drink. And that was our La Fiery Baja Twist Margarita Freeze.